Hi, welcome once again. In this video, I'll be taking you through a project we built during the STEMpedia Empowering Educators Bootcamp, where we are learning Python programming, robotics, and artificial intelligence. In this project, we built a very simple face emotion detector using AI. In this project, there are three basic steps that we want our code to execute. First, we want our code to turn on the camera. Second, we want our code to detect the face. And thirdly, we want Toby, which is the sprite on our stage, to detect the facial expression of the faces detected and say it out. Now, to begin this program, we first need to import the face detection extension, the face detection Python extension. This is the extension that will help us in running face detection codes. Now, to run that or to import that extension, you first need to write the code fd equal to face detection. Now, this code here imports the extension. Then we'll now write the code fd video on, meaning it should turn on the video, it should turn on the camera and turn on the video on the stage. Now, after that, we will now want to enable what we call bounding boxes. The bounding boxes are actually boxes that surrounds each face that is being detected in the camera. Now, we will need to set a threshold for our computer. The threshold simply defines the confidence level of the computer. So the threshold can range from 0.1 to 0.9. But for the purpose of this project, we are going to use 0.4 to set the threshold. Now, in this project, we are also going to run a forever loop or a while loop. So to state the while loop, the reason why we are using the forever loop is simply because we want our facial detection or our emotion detection project to keep running. We want it to keep running anytime a face is being detected. So for this purpose, we'll write a while loop and define it to be true. That is a function we are writing. You could either write true or 1, since 1 stands for true. Now we will tell our code to analyze the camera, meaning it should analyze and detect the faces in the camera. Now we are going to tell our code that if count, and this if fd.count here is just looking for the number of faces we have in the camera. So it is saying if count is greater than 0, meaning if the number of faces there is greater than 0, so 1 is greater than 0, 2 is greater than 0, then the sprite should say fd.facial expression, meaning the sprite should detect the face and tell the facial expression of the face. Else, the sprite should just say no face detected. So meaning if there is no face, meaning if the face count is equal to 0, the sprite will be saying no face detected. Now let's see how this code will run. So I'm going to run my code here. Okay. My computer is quite slow. Yes, so the first stage of the code is running. Okay, so my camera have been turned on. Yes, very good. So you can see my face have been detected, and while my face have been detected, a bounding box have been enabled. So if you look around my face, you see this box all around my face. That is the bounding box that we've enabled using this code. Then we now set the threshold, and let's see. So now to run the code, the while loop itself, you see we are saying if there is a face detected, it should say the facial expression. So currently, Toby is saying my facial expression. So at a point, he said my face have not been detected. Now it detects my face and it's saying my facial expression is neutral. So I'm trying to change my facial expression. Okay, so Toby have detected I am happy as at this point. So now if I take my face off completely, okay, you can see Toby saying there is no face detected. So basically this is a very simple AI project, and trust me, with this facial detection you could embed this into other projects like automatic door unlocking systems, automatic door locking systems, and numerous projects. I am so grateful for Stempedia for teaching me this. Thank you very much. If you have any question, you could ask in the comment below and like this video. Thank you. Bye bye.